Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. There are two identical door gaskets used on this refrigerator. The gasket provides an airtight seal that prevents warm air to get inside the compartment. A bad refrigerator door gasket could cause a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment and condensation build up on the interior near the gasket. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the French doors. As I mentioned earlier, this gasket will fit both doors. Only difference is that it has to be turned over. So the flappers on one of the side will fit the outside of the door, like that. So we're going to show you how to replace the gasket on this side of the doors because of that mullion heater. That would be a little more difficult to replace. So we'll show you how to do this one. All right, so we're going to start with opening this mullion door. Next, I'm going to use this Phillips screwdriver to take out these two screws so we can remove that mullion divider door. All right, so we got two hinges, top and bottom one, and also got this bracket in the center. We need to push up the whole assembly to disengage all three of them. Next, I'm going to pull out the harness from this cavity, and I'm going to disconnect that plug here. Press on the tab and pull in the plug. We're going to put it aside. Be careful, don't break it. Next, I'm going to push on the gasket to expose the seam, and I'm going to use this flat blade screwdriver, and I'm going to pry this gasket out. And I'm going to continue pulling it out. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, so this is our new gasket. We're going to see if it's perfect fit. Yep, that's what it is. And I'm going to show you this ridge here that goes all around the gasket at the back. So the ridge goes into this groove, and make sure that the groove is clean before we install the gasket on. If it's not, use the soapy warm water and a sponge and dry it before the installation. All right, so we're going to lift it up, and it goes in this way. We have these flappers on the top and at the bottom facing outwards. Now we're going to install it. First, I'm going to place the corners in. Press it in, and I'm going to install the top. With my thumbs, I'm pushing that gasket in. You can feel how it goes in. And now I'm going to install the bottom corners. Press it in. And I'm going to install the bottom portion. And we can go up on both sides. And I'm going to continue pressing it in. All right, and next I'm going to close the door so we can check how the gasket is installed from the side. Perfect. Gonna open the door again. All All right, next we're going to install this mullion mullion divider. All right, I'm going to start with plugging this in. Make sure you hear the click. Then I'm going to tack it in. So this L-shaped tab goes over that plastic tab over here on the door. That's how it locks. All right, so we need to place upper and lower hinge and the middle bracket at the same time on the door. So we have this tab here, and we have the same on the bottom. So make sure that hinge is turned this way, and we're gonna place it right above the tab on the door, and then we go down and do the same thing on the middle and the bottom one. And then we're gonna install that centerpiece in and push it down all the way. So all three of them locked. Now we're gonna secure this centerpiece with a couple of Phillip screws. So our next thing is to check how the gasket is sealing that the mullion divider. So make sure that it's evenly touching it all the way, like that. Next, I'm gonna close that mullion door, and now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.